Hey, 7th grade, Mr. Hildebrand here. This screencast is for week 10, trying to get us prepped and ready for our test. This week our test is going to be on Thursday just because of the way everything falls. But I'm going to get you guys ready for whether you're taking the test on paper or online. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is if you go down to the modules button, of course, modules right there. We are on week 10. Okay, so you're looking for week 10. It will be published and it will be at the top of the page by the time you guys see this video. You have your agenda. Your agenda is just kind of tell you what day we tackle what part of prepping for the test. So you can check it out. It'll kind of tell you what to expect each day, but it also is going to show up on the most important page this week, and that is the lesson notes and links page. So we click on that. We're going to see that, hey, I have a little note up here. This week is test week. We'll spend time each day kind of prepping and getting you ready for the test, because I don't want you to have anxiety about the test. I don't want you to worry, because you're going to be experts for this test before we even get there. All right. The first thing I want to show you is I did post, this is Unit 3. It's on Greek culture and how the Greek culture relates to our modern day culture, what ideas we borrowed from them. I do have the Nearpods here, so you can click on any of these links. It'll take you to the Nearpod if you ever need to go back to the notes for any reason. Our study guide. We are going to be completing the study guide together in class on Monday. So whether you're on Zoom or whether you're in person that day, we will be completing in class. I'm also going to be posting either a video of us, a recording of us doing it together, or I will take all the different answers you all give me and I'll kind of crowdsource them onto one super study guide and then give that out to you guys as well. But if you just want the questions to practice a little bit beforehand, click on this right here, the Unit 3 study guide. It has some practice questions for you. We are going to spend a day on Tuesday kind of giving some tips for tough questions, because sometimes the questions, they show up on the test and the word a little funny. It's not maybe how we would normally speak or how we would talk in class. Sometimes tests can be confusing. So Tuesday, what we're going to be doing, and I'm going to post a video recording this as well, is going through some of the maybe tougher language on the test, some terms you should know, if a question is very wordy and complicated, well, how do we break that down? What skills do we need in order to understand what it's asking us to do? So we're going to go through a couple of examples, kind of practice, so that way when you see tough questions on the test, you're not scared. You know how to kind of approach them. Then on Wednesday, there's going to be a quizzes. Okay, there's going to be a quizzes. I'm going to post the link after Wednesday. We're going to do it in class together, either on Zoom or in person. But I'm also going to, after class on Wednesday, I'm going to post it on here in case you want to practice some more. On Thursday is our Unit 3 test. So if you're in school, you'll be taking the test on paper. If you're out of school, I'll have paper copies for you if you want them. Just let me know. But then also there'll be a version of the test on Canvas, so you can always check that out as well if you like doing it digitally. The test is going to be multiple attempts, so if you do it on Canvas, it's going to allow you multiple tries. If you're doing it on paper, and you mess something up, I'm going to give it back to you. I'm going to give you a chance to earn some points back. Okay, so try everything, answer every question. Even if you get it wrong, I'm going to give you more chances, right, to go back, learn a little bit more, and then come back and take it on again. On Friday is going to be a second day to continue working on the test. I know sometimes people, they just need time, right, to process. It can be a lot. So if you have your paper copy of your test, you can keep working on it on Friday. If you just need another attempt at the digital one on Canvas, that's what we're up to on Friday. Okay, so hopefully that's a good guide for what we're up to this week. Depending on what day you're watching this video, go ahead and head to the different days. Monday study guide, Tuesday the video lesson on tips for answering tough questions. Wednesday, check out the quizzes. Thursday and Friday is time to take this test. Okay, so depending on when you're seeing this video, head to whatever part of the week that you need to. The other stuff will always be up here in case you need to go back and review. All right, and as always, if you have questions or need help, let me know. Shoot me an email, or when we hop in the Zoom together, here's the schedule down here. Just ask me and I'll help you out. All right, thanks guys.